The Alaska Railroad has many jobs, and safety is our #1 concern. Many of these positions require you to do physical work, and before we hire you into one of those positions, we need to put you through an examination that will determine your capability to perform the jobs and not get hurt doing so. In this video, we're going to get a sneak peek of our conductor physical ability test. These are tasks that are required to actually do the job as you get hired. Now, the video will give you some idea of our process so you are more prepared when you come in. So let's check it all out. Your physical ability test will be performed at Primary Care Associates at 4100 Lake Otis Parkway in Anchorage, Alaska. Here's what the building looks like. The office will be on the 3rd floor, so you'll go in through the main doorway. Please plan to arrive at least 15 minutes prior so you can ensure you find your way up to the location and there is no delay in your assessment at all. When you enter the doorway, you'll walk straight ahead, and on your left will be the elevator. You'll take that elevator all the way to the 3rd floor to the office that looks like this and our Primary Care Associates front desk. You should have received paperwork from the HR office. Please fill that out prior because it will save you some time when you get to the office. This is what the room will look like that you will be doing your physical ability test in. An evaluator will document each task that you complete and mark it as successful or not. Task number 1 is yard walking. This task simulated walking 3 to 8 miles a day in the rail yard. Now we use the treadmill, and the basic task is that you would walk a sustained pace of 2.5 miles per hour for 3 minutes, and then you walk at a sustained pace at 2.0 miles at a 6% incline for 3 minutes. The next test is the vertical ladder test, and as you can see, this is a test to see how well you can place your foot 30 inches up on a ladder rung, and with 3 points of contact, lift yourself up multiple times using your right foot and then multiple times using your left foot. This test is used to assess how well you can step onto and off of the rail cars multiple times a day. Task 3 is the ladder hold. Now with a ladder hold, you have to maintain 3 points of contact on a vertical ladder, and you'll hold onto the ladder for 5 continuous minutes with all 3 of those points of contact. Now you can do it from any avenue. He's demonstrating different ways to do it. You can lean back, you can hold with your elbow, you can hold straight up, however you like, it's up to you. Now we can move on to our shoveling pit assessment. And this is assessing the candidate's ability to shovel gravel in a shovel pit for 4 continuous minutes at a steady, tolerated pace. This shovel that is being used is weighted, so it replicates having a full load on each shovel movement. Next, we have the drawbar push. This is where you push a sled with 290 pounds on it. Now, the candidate will push the sled with the handle at belt height backwards for 1 full step for 3 reps. Task 6 is the drawbar knuckle manipulation. This is where the candidate will pick up a knuckle off the ground and carry it 10 feet. They'll place the knuckle on the ground and then pick it back up and carry it back to the start. Total of picking up the knuckle and returning it to the ground 2 times and walking with the knuckle about 20 feet. This knuckle weighs anywhere between 80 and 100 pounds. Task 7 will be the moving of a rail switch that has 40 pounds of resistance. That's where you basically pick up the bar, walk 2 steps forward and place it back on the floor, and then turn around and pick it up again and then walk 2 more spaces in front. Next, we have task number 8, the ladder climb. This is using the vertical ladder. This is where a candidate will climb a vertical 10-foot ladder up and down 5 total times. And you can see that in the display what he's doing. Task 9 is the kneeling Arctic hose connector. This is where a candidate will kneel on either knee for 1 minute connecting couplings repetitively throughout the process. If you get them connected, isn't as important as it is the ability to kneel and bend, as connecting them is a technique you will learn in class. Task 10 is the last task, and this is the skid carry and placement. Now, a candidate will carry the skid 5 feet down and place it on the ground and stand up and repeat that 5 total times. So you can see that in the demonstration, how he's doing it and placing it down on the ground. Well, there you have it. The conductor, trainee, and locomotive engineer assessment. Now, all of these tasks are meant to replicate tasks that you would do on the job, and they are really to test your ability to enter into the trainee program and to ensure that you can be safe in doing all of those tasks out there and not harm yourself or anyone around you. Thank you for watching the video, and good luck in the process.